Hey Python coders, in this video we will be learning how to make this shell pattern using the Python turtle library. For more such videos you can refer to our Learn Python series. So let's get started by importing the turtle library as T, and we will also import the color sys so that automatically by using the for loop we can set the color of this shell pattern. Now the next thing we can do is we can set the background color as black, and we can use t.main loop here at the last so that the total screen doesn't disappear. So let us just see. Okay, so our total screen is ready whose background color is black. Now the next thing is we will generate HSV colors using the for loop, and then we will convert them into RGB so that it can be used to make several circles of different colors. And if you observe this pattern carefully, then this big circle, this big one is of greater radius, and slowly and gradually you can see like this, and it's slowly going inside making smaller circles. So that means that the radius of the circles are decreasing. So let us start. First we will say hue is 0. Hue is H of HSV, hue saturation value. And by changing the value of H and keeping S and V as 1, we will generate different colors. We can even change the value of V, which will set the brightness of the colors, and H is the saturation. So let us just keep H as variable and S and V as 1 right now. Now we'll also write A is 200. A is the radius of a circle because we already saw that the radius should vary as well. Then we will use the for loop for I in range, and let us say 30 for now, and we will see how much should it go. Then we'll write RGB is equal to color sys dot HSV to RGB, and in bracket we'll define hue comma 1 comma 1. Okay, and now we will set the color of the circle. So t dot color RGB, and we will make the circle t dot circle, its radius will be A. Now we will set hue is equals to hue plus, and how much will it go? So the value of hue is between 0 and 1 only, so just set it to move like this. Only this much of value will be added to 0, and then we'll subtract some value from the radius. So let's say 0.5. Let's just save and see if it makes some pattern or not. Okay, so it's making some pattern, but it's not visible clearly, so we need to use the code tool. So this one is 100. Now we can bring down it to somewhat here. So for that, here we can use t dot up, and we'll say go to 0 comma minus 200, and here we'll say t dot down. So let us save and see. Yeah, so the largest circle is visible now. So it's overwriting the previous circle because we haven't completed a program here. So to make different circles, what can we do? We can rotate it towards left by some angle, or we can even set it towards right. So let us say 2 degree towards left, and it should go forward as well. So t dot forward, and here let's say 4. So if we go, and it's going to be slow, so let us just set here t dot speed 0. Otherwise, it will take much time to make the pattern. Okay, so it's going faster now, and it went till here because we set it to be in range 30. So let us say it 300 and try. So it's changing the color, and let us see how many times the for loop should go to complete this shell pattern. Okay, so it's going on and on. Let us see if we set the number of circles greater or lesser than that we want. Okay, we want more number of circles because you can see the pattern here, it's going inside and it's like this. So let us just set it to be 400 and let us see if this works. Let us see if the number of circles we set as 400 is greater or lesser, or if it is fine. So 100 more circles left. And I think it's about to complete. Just few more and it is done. So our pattern is here, shell pattern. Now we can even hide this turtle. So let us just hide this turtle, or we can hide it here itself. T dot hide turtle. So let us just run one more time, and we can even use the tracer. Using tracer makes it very faster and quick. So we will write 0, 0. Let us say okay. So it made our pattern very quickly, and you can say you can see we just hide the turtle and the pattern is there. So that was all for this video. Hope you liked making the shell pattern with me. For more such videos, you can refer to our playlist of Learn Pattern series. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more coding content. Happy coding!